Untitled Project Entry door installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their home's curb appeal and security. Our team of Fayetteville door installation experts specializes in custom entry doors, ensuring a perfect fit and style for your home. Whether you need a new door or replacement, our Fayetteville front door installation services are second to none. We proudly offer a wide variety of entry doors Fayetteville homeowners trust for durability and design. Door replacement in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is made easy with our comprehensive services. We offer a wide range of energy-efficient doors that not only improve your home's appearance but also help reduce energy costs. Our Fayetteville door material selection process ensures you get the best door for your needs, whether it's for a front door, patio door, or storm door. For the best entry doors Fayetteville has to offer, our selection is unmatched. Front door installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is essential for maintaining the security and functionality of your entryway. Our Fayetteville door installation experts are skilled in door frame installation, door jamb installation, and door threshold installation, ensuring your door operates smoothly and securely. We also offer door lock installation Fayetteville, Arkansas services to enhance your home's security, especially for premium entry doors Fayetteville families rely on for peace of mind. Custom entry doors in Fayetteville, Arkansas, are a popular choice for homeowners looking to make a statement. Our Fayetteville custom entry doors are designed to your specifications, offering a unique blend of style and functionality. With our door design services, you can choose from a variety of materials and finishes to create the perfect door for your home, including beautifully crafted entry doors Fayetteville residents love. Door frame installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is a critical service for maintaining the structural integrity of your entryway. Our Fayetteville door installation experts are experienced in installing and reinforcing door frames, ensuring your door remains secure and functional. We also offer door hinge installation Fayetteville services to keep your door operating smoothly, ideal for any of the custom entry doors Fayetteville homeowners select. Energy-efficient doors in Fayetteville are a smart investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. Our Fayetteville energy-efficient doors are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round. We offer a variety of styles and materials to suit your needs, including patio doors and storm doors, along with top-rated entry doors Fayetteville families choose for both performance and beauty. Door hardware in Fayetteville, Arkansas, is an important aspect of any door installation or replacement project. Our Fayetteville door installation experts can help you select the right hardware for your door, ensuring it operates smoothly and securely. We also offer door security upgrades Fayetteville services to enhance your home's protection, especially for those upgrading to new entry doors Fayetteville homeowners trust. Door security upgrades in Fayetteville, Arkansas, are essential for protecting your home and family. Our Fayetteville door installation experts offer a range of security solutions, including door lock installation Fayetteville, Arkansas and door hinge installation Fayetteville services. We can help you choose the best security features for your home, ensuring peace of mind with any of the entry doors Fayetteville residents install for protection. storm doors in Fayetteville, Arkansas, provide an extra layer of protection against the elements. Our Fayetteville storm door installation services ensure your home is well protected from harsh weather conditions. We offer a variety of styles and materials to suit your needs, including energy-efficient options and compatible solutions for all types of entry doors Fayetteville homes feature. For top-notch entry door installation in Fayetteville, Arkansas, look no further than our expert services. Our team specializes in custom entry doors, ensuring your home stands out with style and security. Whether you need door replacement or front door installation, we have the skills to enhance your home's curb appeal. Our Fayetteville front door installation services are second to none, providing you with durable and aesthetically pleasing solutions, especially when choosing entry doors Fayetteville homeowners recommend. Door security upgrades in Fayetteville are essential for peace of mind. We offer comprehensive door lock installation and door hinge installation to keep your home safe. Our door hardware options are designed to complement your home's style while providing maximum security. Trust our Fayetteville door installation experts to handle all your door security needs with precision and care, perfect for securing your new entry doors Fayetteville style. Energy-efficient doors in Fayetteville are a smart investment for any homeowner. Our selection of energy-efficient doors helps reduce energy costs while maintaining comfort. We provide door insulation and door sealing services to ensure your home remains energy efficient year-round. Choose our Fayetteville door weatherproofing services to protect your home from the elements, especially around high-performance entry doors Fayetteville residents love. For those seeking custom doors in Fayetteville, Arkansas, our door design services are tailored to your preferences. We offer door style consultation and door material selection to create the perfect entryway. Our door measurement services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, ensure a perfect fit every time. Let us help you design a door that reflects your unique taste and enhances your home's value with stunning entry doors Fayetteville homes showcase. Fayetteville storm door installation is a must for protecting your home from harsh weather. Our storm doors are designed to withstand the elements while adding an extra layer of security. We also offer patio door services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, to enhance your outdoor living space. Our patio doors are both functional and stylish, and they complement the wide range of entry doors Fayetteville residents use to complete their home's design. Door refinishing services in Fayetteville can breathe new life into your existing doors. Our team specializes in door painting and door refinishing to restore your doors to their former glory. Whether you need door threshold installation or door jamb installation, our Fayetteville experts have you covered. We ensure your doors look and function like new with our comprehensive door maintenance services, ideal for maintaining your entry doors Fayetteville style. Door alignment and door threshold installation in Fayetteville are crucial for smooth operation. Our Fayetteville door alignment services ensure your doors open and close effortlessly. We also provide door jamb installation and door frame installation to maintain your door's structural integrity. Trust our Fayetteville door maintenance services to keep your doors in top condition, particularly high-traffic entry doors Fayetteville homeowners use daily. For all your entry door services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, our team is here to help. From door lock installation to door insulation, we offer a wide range of services to meet your needs. Our Fayetteville door design services and door style consultation ensure you get the perfect door for your home. Contact us today for expert entry door services in Fayetteville, Arkansas, and explore our premium selection of entry doors Fayetteville residents count on.